So this is my post for discussion board 5 about othering. So how does othering express itself in modern culture? Well, one could point to the beginning of American history, which is pretty modern. It's struggle between these United States and the United States. So you can see this both in the Revolutionary War and in the War of 1812 and the like, where America has to band together against the British to try to keep themselves independent, as they saw it. So the idea of that is that they have a common enemy, and so all of these states would kind of band together, even though they didn't necessarily agree with each other and actually fought a lot. And you can see that kind of disappear on a large scale, like state versus state, as soon as the Civil War ends. But that doesn't mean it goes away forever. Another big example of modern things like this is usually when you start to see countries get polarized, like all of their parties begin to get polarized and everything, and after that people start to search for others to blame things on. You can see this at the beginning of World War II, you could see this at American politics today. It has a lot of examples in modern history. So then we move on to number 2. What are the consequences of identity based on the others? So first of all, it puts the others in danger. So this would mean that people are put in a position where it would be harder for them to, immigrate to that sort of area, or they might start to immigrate out, with an E, in danger of that. So yeah. Also, this sort of unity usually immediately ends after the threat. So you can see this in a lot of different ways.